Hi, to adjust the auto lock on your iOS 18 iPhone, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone. Here, we would need to scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Display and Brightness. So, click on it and here scroll down until you'll find this auto lock button, which is currently on 30 seconds. So, auto lock is a feature which is measuring in what time, if you are not touching your phone, it will automatically turn off, so your screen won't be overused. So by clicking on this button here, you can see a lot of options for the auto lock, starting from 30 seconds and ending on never, which means that your phone will be always turned on. So the most battery saving is of course the smallest amount, but if you would like to keep your screen a little bit longer turned on when you are not using it, you can choose 1 or 2 minutes. So this is only on you. And now just let me show you a quick fix when you can see this option grayed out. That means that you've got enabled the low power mode. So let me show you how it looks. The low power mode is enabled, and if I will go to the same tab, here you can see that the auto lock has grayed out and it is on 30 seconds. So if you would like to change it, you would need to disable the low power mode. And now if we will go back, here you can see that the auto lock has switched back to 2 minutes. So this is what I say that the auto lock is most battery saving on the 30 seconds, because this is the minimal option and it will automatically turn on with the low power mode. That's all. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.